not smell. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2024. So in today's video, it's gonna be a super chill video where I will be telling about my top 10 favorite skincare and hair care products, included all the top 10. So this year I use quite a lot of skincare as well as hair care to just up game and grade my whole routine. And so if you guys are interested to know what are those, please carry on watching the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, hair on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so starting with the skincare first, I have my favorite mask from Foxtail, and this is how the mask look like. I know, I'm sure many of you guys use the same mask right here, and this is so beautiful. So it's called the Stunner Skin Radiance Mask, and indeed it gives such a nice and healthy glow to your skin. Let me show you. So yeah, this is the dabba I'm talking about. It's so beautiful, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, so when you open it, you get this spoolie kind of thing right here, just to grab of it, the spoon like, and inside this is how. Okay, so inside this is how it look like. It's a very purplish kind of mask, and it's one of the viral masks for that matter as well. So yeah, inside ये कुछ ऐसे दिखता है. Okay, so the MRP of this particular mask is 545, but you can get it on huge discount on Nykaa itself. It was also indeed in my Nykaa recommendations wala short, in case you haven't watched this short. So it was there itself, and I was like, this is so beautiful. You need to get hands on. It just give you such a radiant, hydrating and naturally brightened up wala finish on your skin, and it's just amazing. I can tell you that I have a super dry skin, and it does not make my skin dehydrated. At the same time, gives the nice, beautiful, naturally glow wala radiance on my face. So absolutely love this one and highly recommend. That's why it is in my top 10 as well. So this is the first face mask and only face mask that I want to recommend from this 2020-24 top list and my favorite wala video. So here it goes, the first one. Definitely try this one, you're gonna definitely love it. Okay, so next, again from the skincare, I will tell you guys, I will recommend you all my favorite toner from my favorite brand itself. So this is the Bioderma toner. It's, I don't know what it's actually called. Its name is a little bit of tricky because of the origin of Bioderma. Anyways, so this is how the toner look like. I will show you, and the name will be there on the screen itself. But yeah, this is such a beautiful, soothing toner. It really does not smell. It has this very, क्या बोलते उसको, distilled water kind of smell it got. It does not have any fragrance and all. Just a beautiful soothing toner, and I highly recommend. Whenever I feel like my face needs a little bit of soothing effect, I just go back to this toner often and just love how it makes my skin feel. So this is the only toner I use, and I'm using this for years now, more than 2 years I would say, and absolutely love it. Okay, so moving to the next one, I have two recommendations for face wash because I can't really tell which one I love more. So these are the two face washes I'm talking about. One is from the Dot & Key. It's called the Watermelon Super Glow Gel Face Wash, and it has vitamin C and cucumber in it. So this face wash gives me such a cooling and soothing effect. I just love using this face wash, and indeed it contains this cucumber and vitamin C as well product. And the next one of my favorite face washes had to be the from TAC, the Ayurveda Co, and it is the Kumkumadi range from there, the 7% Kumkumadi face wash. It has saffron and gold dust particles in it. Absolutely love it. And also I received in PR, but nonetheless I love their whole Kumkumadi range. Also I told you in my PR Wala video, so absolutely I am in love of these two face washes. Highly recommend. Anyone will work great for you. Both nourishes your skin really well and a very good face wash for that matter. And this one retails for $249 for I guess 100 ml, and whereas this one is also 100 ml, but this one retails for same I guess. Okay, this one is $249 and this one is $299. Yes, $299. So I have my favorite moisturizer to share with you all, and this works so great that I am in love with this one. That's why it's in my favorite. So this, I'm talking about the one, the OG Foxtail. Again, we have another recommendation from Foxtail itself. So it's the Foxtail Nourishing Moisturizer, and it's the Pure Bliss, the name is, and indeed it's a really pure bliss. And this is how the moisturizer look like. By the thickness of it, you can see how much I have already used it. Absolutely love it. Almost I have finished it. So one of the reason of my healthy glowing skin is definitely had to be this one, and making sure that in this winter I stay hydrated. But what I have understood that Foxtail got very affordable skincare range. At the same time, their products are so good. I was initially introduced to this brand via this moisturizer. Then the recent addition was this mask, and both of them is wonderful. Okay, do try it yourself, you will love it. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Okay, so moving to the next one, the OG product of them all, and has to be my favorite one, is the Fix Derma sunscreen. By far, if you know me how much I love this product right here. So this is a very much dewy sunscreen that I love the most, and because of the runny texture it's so hydrating to your skin. Having said that, I have such a dry and dehydrated skin. This one works the best, and it also has SPF 50 in it, so absolutely love it. Okay, so the next one, I have a micellar water to recommend you all. So this is a Bioderma's micellar water, and I have almost finished it, you can see right now. So this much I love this product. So ये डब्बा मैंने कितना खाली की हूँ मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. I just love this product, and this is a very soothing and very comfortable micellar water. I would rather to say it just easily removes all the makeup, all the अगर तुम बहुत ही heavy makeup भी you have put it on, it will just remove it so beautifully. Absolutely love it and highly recommend. You should give it a try. Having said that, this one is quite pricier than the Garnier ones we generally use, but this one is definitely a very beautiful. Moving to the next product, which I need to recommend you for a very good nourishment wala body lotion from Fix Derma itself. This is how the packaging look like. It's there from the Durawear range. I love this body lotion. It smells amazing. All the Fix Derma's products are very much dermatologically tested and recommended by dermatologists as well. So highly recommend and absolutely love this product. Having said that, this nourishes so well. This is how the tube look like. I highly recommend. If you have a very dehydrated and malnourished, I would rather say, do try this one. You will get that healthier glowing wala effect just from within, because this product just sinks into your skin so nice and well. Do try this body lotion. You will love yourself and absolutely love in this winter how it's keeping me hydrated. I love it. So this is the only body lotion I want to recommend for this winter. Okay, so now I will quickly recommend you about 3 hair care products that I am using in this year itself, and also religiously I'm following this hair care routine only. So first is the essential oil from Soulflower, and this is how it look like. It's the rosemary essential oil. Absolutely love it. It how gave me my this small baby hairs, helped my hair get a lot of nourishment. So highly recommend. If you are suffering from this balding and hair loss, definitely you can try it yourself and you will see the result. Even I tell you that 3 months it's good to go to see a visible result. So highly recommend and my favorite indeed. So yeah, this is how it look like. Okay, so the next one I have to recommend this BBlunt shampoo. This is so beautiful, makes my hair feel so smooth and soft just after every wash. So I love this one. So particularly now I am using in the range called Hair Fall Control Shampoo, and yeah, this is how the packaging look like, the blue one. Also I use the pink one. Also I use the blue one as well. That is for the anti-dandruff wala shampoo you get. Love it. So BBlunt, this shampoo is highly recommended. Your hair feels so smooth and soft. Love it. The next one is a hair serum that I have to tell you all, and that is my favorite one. I am using for years now, and this has to be this L'Oreal serum. I do not have it right now, so I'm showing you as but I'm sure many of you uses the same serum, and this is the one, the OG one. I absolutely love this serum. It makes your hair feel so soft and so smooth. I just love using this serum. So yeah, definitely my hair care game is a lot more, really can see visible changes in my hair, and absolutely love this serum for that matter. And yeah, you can also use it for so many hairstyling. So love this serum anyways. Okay, so the last and the top 10 products of this skincare video has to be my favorite lip balm, which is from Laneige, and this is the Gummy Bear lip balm I have been using this for a long time now, and I am in love of this product. For months now I'm using this and absolutely love it. Even today also I just line my lip with a lip liner and then I use this lip balm. So I don't think that I have to tell much about this lip balm, how hydrating and how beautiful this lip balm is just amazing. Highly recommend, and it got such a addictive smelling. Having said that, this is quite pricier. Okay, so that's it for this video. That's where all my favorite top 10 skincare and hair care products of 2024. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Mwah. Bye.